Welcome to our deep dive into the all-new Google Pixel 10, 2026 edition, the smartest Pixel ever built. In this video, we'll explore its design, display, camera, AI features, performance, battery, and price, and find out if it's truly worth upgrading in 2026. So, hit that like button and let's get started with the future of Google's flagship smartphone. Design and build. The Pixel 10 introduces a more refined and minimalistic design with a recycled aluminum frame and a matte Gorilla Glass back. The signature camera bar blends seamlessly into the body, giving it a unified look. Bezels are slimmer, and the addition of the Qi 2 magnetic charging system allows easy accessory attachment. It's lightweight, durable, IP68 water resistant, and feels truly premium in hand. Display. The 6.3-inch Super Hz OLED display delivers up to 3000 nits of brightness and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Colors are vivid, contrast is deep, and visibility under sunlight is excellent. Whether watching HDR videos, gaming, or scrolling, it provides a flagship-level viewing experience. The under-display fingerprint sensor is faster and Face Unlock works reliably even in dim lighting. Camera system. Google has taken camera innovation to the next level with the Pixel 10. It packs a 48MP main sensor, 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10.8MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Image quality is stunning, with balanced HDR, lifelike tones, and crisp details. For video, it supports 4K recording at 60 FPS on both front and rear cameras, with 10-bit HDR infused stabilization. Creative features like cinematic blur, audio magic eraser, macro focus video, and night sight time-lapse make it a powerful tool for vloggers and content creators. Every shot feels like it's been professionally edited by AI. Performance and AI features. Powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip built on a 3nm process, the Pixel 10 delivers fast and efficient performance. AI is at the heart of everything, from real-time language translation to predictive app optimization. The new on-device Gemini AI allows text summarization, smart replies, and even offline voice command editing. Everything feels faster, smarter, and more responsive. The integration of AI makes daily tasks smoother while maintaining user privacy with on-device processing. Battery and charging. The Pixel 10 features a 4970 mAh battery with AI-based adaptive management that learns user habits. It can easily last a full day and even up to 36 hours with moderate use. The new charging system delivers 55% charge in just 30 minutes, and Qi 2 wireless charging locks magnetically for efficient energy transfer. It's reliable, cool, and efficient, even during heavy use. Software and updates. Running on Android 15, the Pixel 10 guarantees 7 years of major software and security updates. Google continues to refine its interface, adding AI-driven tools like Smart Summary, Call Screen 2.0, and Magic Compose. The phone genuinely improves over time through updates, offering a long-term flagship experience. Price and variants. The Google Pixel 10 starts at $799 for the 128GB version, $899 for 256GB, and $999 for the Pro variant. The larger Pro XL is priced at $1,199, while the Fold Edition reaches around $1,799. Available in Obsidian Black, Aloe Green, and Porcelain White, it combines elegance with cutting-edge performance. Final verdict. The Google Pixel 10 is a complete package, intelligent, powerful, and beautifully designed. Its AI integration, reliable performance, excellent cameras, and long software support make it one of the smartest phones of 2026. If you value innovation, camera excellence, and long-term updates, the Pixel 10 is a top choice for your next upgrade. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more reviews of the latest 2026 tech.